There is a good news for Samsung fans. If you are waiting for a mid-budget smartphone from Samsung, then your wait is about to end. Because Samsung is going to launch its most awaited smartphone. In this great smartphone, you will get to see 200 megapixel DSLR camera, along with Exynos 2400 processor. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy X Pro 5G smartphone. Let us tell you that even before the launch, the features and price of this phone have been leaked online. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy X Pro 5G. Display. The Galaxy X Pro phone has a 6.90-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, which comes with 4K resolution. Yes, it will get a resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels. The A phone will work at a touch sampling rate of 390 Hz with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Apart from this, you will also get IP68 rating and in-display fingerprint sensor in the mobile. Camera setup. For photography, a triple rear camera will be provided on the back panel of Galaxy X Pro, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels with OIS support. Well, this great smartphone is going to have a 64 megapixel front camera for selfies. Processor. If we are talking about the processor, you will get Exynos 2400 chipset in it, so that you will be able to do great gaming and multitasking in it. And as an operating system, Android 15 will be available. Battery backup. Talking about battery, you are going to get a strong battery of 6000 mAh in it. Apart from this, Type-C charging socket will be available with 125-watt fast wired charging. Price or launch date. According to the leak, the price of the base variant of the phone, with 8GB RAM and 128GB memory is expected to be around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.